On your cloud-first journey, you may discover that cloud storage can fall short for storage-intensive applications. You may hit storage bottlenecks, then find the high-performance options are too expensive, and they won't scale to meet your business growth. Or they don't have the replication, snapshots, or other data services you need. That's where Lightbits on Microsoft Azure comes in. Lightbits provides a high-performance cloud data platform that lets you migrate demanding workloads to Azure with confidence. No performance bottlenecks, no expensive overprovisioned storage, and better data protection and higher availability. And Lightbits is easy to deploy and manage through Azure Marketplace. Let's go over to Victor for a demo to show you how.
Welcome to this short video of how to install and deploy Lightbits Managed Application in Microsoft Azure. My name is Victor Jang, and I am a Solutions Engineer here at Lightbits Labs. To deploy the Lightbits Managed Application, you will need your own Azure Resource Group, Virtual Network, and Managed Identity. This demonstration will assume the Azure Resource Group and Virtual Network is already created. Start by creating a managed identity and then assigning the role of a network contributor. Please refer to our Azure Deployment Guide for further information. On the screen, I have my Azure Resource Group, and there is already a virtual network and SSH key created. We'll start by creating a user managed identity. You can do this by searching for the Managed Identity service in the search bar. Click Create on the top left, and then select the appropriate subscription and resource group. Next, select the region and provide a name. Go ahead and create the resource. Turn back to the appropriate resource group. Select the virtual network. Next, select Access Control on the left toolbar. We will now click and add role assignment. In the search bar, search for Network Contributor role. Select it and hit Next. Click on the Manage Identity radio button and then select the members. Here we will select the user managed identity that we just created in the previous step. Now review the summary and assign the new role. We are now prepared to launch and configure the Lightbits Managed Application. Go to the search bar and search for Lightbits Cloud Data Platform. It should show up under the Marketplace section under the live results. At the time of this recording, the latest version is 3.4.1. You can click the drop-down menu to deploy previous releases if you choose. For now, we will click Create. Select the appropriate subscription and resource group to deploy the managed application. We are going to select the resource group which we created the managed identity in. Next, select the region and availability zone. Give the application a name. The managed application will also create its own managed resource group with all the necessary components to deploy and run the cluster software. The name is automatically generated, but if you'd like to make changes to it, you may do so. Once completed, hit Next. On this page, select the appropriate virtual network and subnet ID. Next, you will select the instance type and size that best fits your business requirements. Enter the number of instances to deploy. The minimum requirement for a cluster is 3. Enter a username that will be used to administer the VMs. Today we'll use Azure user. Next, provide an RSA public SSH key to use. Under the assigned management identity, hit the Add button and select the managed identity that we created earlier. Once completed, hit Next. On this page, you may choose to change the prefixes of all the resources that will be generated. Once done, hit Next. On the final page, review the configuration summary and agree to the terms and conditions before finalizing and creating the managed application. When ready, go ahead and hit Create. Allow 10 to 15 minutes for the deployment to complete. Once completed, you will see the new storage managed application available in your Azure resource group. You can click into the managed application and see that it is tied to a different resource group. You may also click into this to see all of the different resources that have been deployed as part of the managed application. Now you may begin to use the Lightbits storage resource to create volumes and connect clients. I hope this demonstration was helpful in showing how simple and quick it is to deploy Lightbits storage in Microsoft Azure. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to your local account lead and engineer. Thank you again for tuning in.
Thanks, Victor. To check it out yourself or to learn more about Lightbits, go to the Azure Marketplace today.